Today we're taking a close-up look at one of the brightest, happiest plants you can grow, creeping Jenny. Just look at the color. It's like sunshine in plant form. This little spiller may be small, but it makes a big impact in your garden or container. And I emphasize the word container, and I'll tell you why. Creeping Jenny is a trailing plant with round, golden leaves that spill over the edges of pots, baskets, and garden beds. It's known for growing low to the ground and spreading out like a soft, leafy carpet. Because it grows fast and stays colorful all season, gardeners love using it to fill in empty spaces. So, where does it come from? Creeping Jenny's scientific name is Lacinichia numerulera. It's originally from Europe and parts of Asia. People have been growing it for hundreds of years because it's tough, beautiful, and easy to care for. Today, you can find it in gardens all over the world, including right here in the South. Creeping Jenny grows best in USDA zones 3 through 9. That means it can handle cold winters and warm summers. It's a super flexible plant. In cooler places, it comes back every year like a perennial. In hotter areas, it may act more like a fast growing annual, but it still puts on a great show. So, how do you care for Creeping Jenny? Caring for Creeping Jenny is simple. It likes full sun to part shade. More light gives brighter color. Keep the soil moist. It doesn't like drying out too much. Plant it in well-draining soil so the roots don't stay soggy. And it spreads quickly, so trim it if it starts to take over. If you give it a good spot and regular water, it will reward you with nonstop color. Here's some fun facts you might not know. Creeping Jenny can grow over the sides of pots like a waterfall of leaves. Its leaves can change shades depending on how much sun it gets, from lime green to deep gold. It's one of the easiest spiller plants for beginners, and bees love its tiny yellow flowers in the summer. So that's Creeping Jenny up close, a bright, cheerful plant that's easy to grow, fun to watch, and perfect for adding color to any garden. Whether you're planting a window box, a hanging basket, or a container on your porch, Creeping Jenny is always ready to shine. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope you all are having an amazing day, and I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.